In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect personal Gmail account to Make.com. To begin, open your web browser and go to Make.com. Once you are inside your Make workspace, you will need to add a Gmail module to the scenario where you want to use email. You can do this by creating a new scenario or opening an existing one, then choosing Gmail from the list of available apps. Adding the module is important because it is what prompts Make to ask for a Gmail connection. After the Gmail module is on your canvas, look for the connection area in the module settings. Click Add to create a brand new connection. This opens a pop-up window where you will set up how Make connects to your Google account. Before signing in, go to the bottom of that pop-up and toggle on Show Advanced Settings. This is a key detail because advanced settings let you specify your own Google app credentials instead of relying on the default connection flow. Once advanced settings are visible, find the field for Client ID and paste your Client ID into that box. Make sure you paste it carefully and do not add extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you are working from a document, it can help to paste into a plain text editor first, then copy it again to avoid hidden formatting. Next, click Sign in with Google. A Google sign-in window will appear. Continue through the normal Google sign-in process for the personal Gmail account you want to connect. In some cases, you may see a warning screen that says Google has not verified this app. If that happens, do not stop the setup. Click Advanced, then choose the option to proceed to the Make integration even though it is marked as unsafe. This is simply part of the authorization flow when an app is not verified in that environment. Finally, review the permissions request and click Allow to grant access. This step completes the authorization and Make will finish creating the connection. Once you return to the module, you should see your new Gmail connection selected and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.